flowers beautiful. They are very different. And it is symbol of beauty and strength. And it is used for making perfume and medicine. Thank you. Sunflower are growing warm temperature. It have 50 types of hibiscus. It stay only one day. Thank you. Friends, my name is Sunflower. My face is always to the sun.